Hello everyone. As most of you already know, Amazon has announced massive layoffs. Around 14,000 corporate employees are going to impact it. First of all, it's heartbreaking. My thoughts go out to everyone affected. This video is not just to talk about layoffs or blame AI or company profits. Instead, we are going to decode what's really happening or more importantly, understand the key takeaways or lessons for all the IT professionals like you and me. So stay with me till the end because this might actually change the way you look at your career. Let's first understand the actual reason behind the layoff. First, remove bureaucracy. Sometimes senior employees prefer doing things their own way, a traditional way, which makes it hard for the company to bring fast changes. So by removing this layer, company aims to make decisions faster and change culture quickly. Second, overhiring during COVID. During pandemic, companies hired aggressively to handle more demand. Now that demand has normalized, they simply don't need that many people anymore. So that are also the reason to reduce the workforce to balance resources. Third, simplifying roles and leveraging AI. Some roles that are repetitive or less complex are being replaced by AI tools or automation. This doesn't just save the cost but also helps employees to adapt the AI driven workflows inside the company. Amazon is doing well. Profits are increasing, revenue looks strong. So the big question is why lay off now? Let's look at some concerning signals. First, major layoffs are happening in US. It could be a signal to shift IT operation to another countries due to geopolitical reason. Second, timing just before the Hire Act. Hire Act not yet finalized, but there is a pressure on outsourcing and international hiring. Third, layoffs are not performance based. This is big concerning. Job security depends on more on business priorities than individual performance. So never get too comfortable and always upskill and stay relevant. And third is market impact. If massive layoffs continue, we might soon face low demand, high supply situation, meaning fewer jobs, lower salaries across IT sector. The purpose of this video is not to spread fear but to spread awareness. Think of this as a wake-up call. Because in past we have seen a pattern, once a big company starts layoffs, other follow. If that happens again, we could be heading into a very unpredictable and challenging phase. But remember, precaution is always better than cure. How to prepare for uncertain times? I have already created a video on this. You will find the suggestion right at the end of this video. Please make sure you check it out. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, please like, share and subscribe.